Come test drive 2004 Thunderbird. The Ford Thunderbird has been an icon in the Ford Motor Company since the 1960s. It was reintroduced in the late 80s as a more mature option than the Ford Mustang. With its sporty, flowing coupe body style, reasonable backseat space, and moderate price range, the Thunderbird is for car enthusiasts. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, leather upholstery, heated seats, steering wheel audio controls, trip computer, power outlets. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.